Do you do mashed potatoes or do you do scalloped potatoes for the holidays? Sometimes we have both at our holiday meals. But you always want to do, I always do my prep work before I put everything together. So I'm going to need a couple of cups of cheese. I always shred my own cheese because I think it melts better and it doesn't have the coating. And I did go ahead and get my potatoes sliced up and put them in a greased dish. Now, let's make the roux for our potatoes. We're going to go ahead and melt some butter. I got 3 tablespoons of butter. And then you're going to add, 1 or 2 cloves of garlic, however much or as little. If you don't want garlic, don't put it in there. Once you get it where your garlic is like fragrant, you don't want it to brown or burn or anything like that, go ahead and add 3 tablespoons of just flour. And this is what makes the roux. This is going to help it thicken and get nice and thick. All right, once you've cooked this a couple of minutes, we're going to slowly add in our milk base. So this is 2 cups of heavy cream and 1 cup of milk just mixed together. And we're going to very slowly pour this in. And you want to whisk it the whole time because you don't want lumps in your cheese sauce. All right, once your sauce is thick and bubbly, go ahead and add your cheese in. 1½ cups of smoky cheddar and some Parmesan. I'm just going to whisk that in until that's all nice and cheesy and melted. Okay, and then to this, add as much or as little salt and pepper as you'd like. And then I also add about ½ teaspoon to a teaspoon of thyme. Take your potatoes, and you're going to dump this cheesy goodness all over the top. Once you get all that covered, go ahead and put just a little more cheese on top. We're going to let it cook in there with the foil on for about 40 minutes. Then we'll take the foil off, let it cook another 25 to 30 minutes until the potatoes are tender and it's nice and golden brown on top.